So basically, under the overseas investment framework, we are going to cover about the ODIs, OPIs, the ODIs by Indian entities, ODI other than equity capital, round tripping, deferred payment, and compliance procedures under FEMA. So begin with overseas investment regulatory framework. Earlier, the overseas investments. Now, when we say overseas direct investment, we say that the Indian entity making an investments outside India. That is called as an overseas investments. So earlier, the overseas investments were governed by foreign exchange transfer and transfer of securities outside India regulation 2004 and regulation relating to the acquisition and transfer of immovable property. So with this new regulations coming into effect, the old regulations are superseded, and now any investments made overseas will be regulated by the new regulations. So if we go to the framework of the overseas investment, the government of India had issued non-debt rules in the year 2021, and also the RBI had issued a draft rules on overseas investment regulations. And these rules and regulations were put for public comment and feedback. And based on the comments and feedbacks, a new overseas investment framework was finalized.
Achromic Point.